Leaked information about the 2025 Suzuki Jimny to be launched in Europe. Suzuki Jimny is one of the most popular off-road SUVs in the world, and the upcoming 2025 version is not going to disappoint. The small SUV will receive several updates that make it more powerful, more efficient, and more comfortable to drive. One of the biggest changes Suzuki is making is adding a new engine to the Jimny. The existing 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine will be replaced with a 1.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine. The new engine will produce 140 horsepower, which is a 20 horsepower increase over the current engine. Another change Suzuki is making to the Jimny is adding a new automatic transmission. The existing 5-speed manual transmission will be replaced with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The new automatic transmission will offer smoother and more efficient shifts. In addition to the mechanical changes, Suzuki will also make some changes to the exterior and interior of the Jimny. The exterior will receive a new grille design and updated LED headlights. The interior will receive a new dashboard with a larger infotainment screen. The 2025 Suzuki Jimny will be launched in Europe at the end of 2024. Pricing has not been announced, but it is expected to be more expensive than the current version. Here are some specific details about the changes Suzuki is making to the 2025 Jimny. Engine. The 1.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine produces 140 horsepower. Transmission. The 6-speed automatic transmission replaces the 5-speed manual transmission. Exterior. New grille design and updated LED headlights. Interior. New dashboard with a larger infotainment screen. Overall, the 2025 Suzuki Jimny looks promising. The small SUV will be more powerful, more efficient, and more comfortable to drive. This makes it an attractive option for off-road enthusiasts and those looking for a compact and versatile small SUV.